Let me show you how to crochet a love heart leaf. Use for strands cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with 5 chains. A slip stitch with the first stitch. Then foundation chain 4. Work 6 treble crochets into the chain ring. Finish the rest similarly. After completing the 6 treble crochet, chain 2. Work 6 treble crochets in the chain space. Finish the rest similarly. After the 6 treble crochet, chain 4. One slip stitch in the ring. After it, chain 1. Work for single crochets in this chain space. Next, work 1/2 double crochet in each of the next 2 treble crochets. Then, for double crochets, 1 in each stitch. After finishing, work 2 double crochets in the corner space. Then 1 treble crochet. The first side is done. Chain 2. Mirror the process on the other side. Start with 1 treble crochet. Then 2 double crochets. followed by 4 double crochets. Then to half double crochets. Work for single crochets in the chain space. One slip stitch. Round 2 is complete. After finishing round 2, proceed to round 3 directly. Starting with the first stitch, 1 slip stitch. Chain 1. 1 slip stitch. Chain 1 again. Now we're at the corner. Start with 1 single crochet at the corner. Then chain 2. Work a picket, chain 21 slip stitch. Continue the sameness as the other side. Finish the rest as shown. After the final slip stitches, 1 slip stitch in the center. Now crochet the hanging rope. Chain 10. One slip stitch in the same position. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. Hide the ends with a sewing needle on the reverse side. Cut the yarn again, and cut this yarn too. One love heart leaf is done.